Hi everyone! Welcome to the Shamkris Global Group YouTube channel. Today we will see more about ISO 22716 Good Manufacturing Practices for Cosmetics Certificate and how you can get it for your business. ISO 22716 is an international standard of good manufacturing practices, GMP for the cosmetics manufacturing industry, and describes the basic principles of applying GMP in a facility that produces finished cosmetic products. This guideline offers organized and practical advice on the management of human, technical, and administrative factors affecting product quality. ISO 2716 provides a widespread approach for an organization's management of quality systems through practical methods. It covers manufacturing, storing, packaging, testing, and transportation processes. It does not apply to research and development activities and the distribution of finished cosmetic products. Even though the standard focuses on product quality, it does not include the safety of the employees engaged in the production or the protection of the environment. The guideline has been approved and accepted by many global regulatory bodies, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, the International Cooperation on Cosmetics Regulation, ICCR, and the European Committee for Standardization, CEN. Benefits of ISO 22716 certification enables the organization to manage the quality and safety, implemented easily in all sizes, levels of complexity, improves customer confidence, controls hazards and risks, and safety assurance, who can be certified for ISO 22716 certification. This certification is specifically designed for the cosmetic industry to ensure that products are manufactured under strict guidelines for safety, quality, and hygiene. The standard provides a framework for good manufacturing practices, GMP, tailored to cosmetics, covering all aspects from raw material sourcing to production, packaging, and storage. This certification ensures that cosmetic products are consistently produced and controlled according to established quality standards. Document required for ISO 22716 certification: System Manual, System Procedure, Policy, Objectives, Mission and Vision, Standard Operating Procedure, SOP, Checklist, Forms, Formats, Records, and others. How to apply for ISO 22716 certification. To receive our assistance, please visit certificationinindia.com/contact us and fill out the contact form. Our support team will get in touch with you promptly. Thanks for watching.